Hi students, do you know how to import SHP file, which is actually GIS data, and we can import this SHP file GIS data into Civil 3D. So in this exercise we will learn how to import GIS data into Civil 3D and how can we create surface from that GIS data. Whether the source is internal or from an outside firm, elevation data from geographic information system is become increasingly common. So Civil 3D understands GIS data and can work with that given data. In this exercise, we will show you how to import GIS data pertaining to surface. First of all, start any new drawing by using AutoCAD Civil 3D metric, or you can use any imperial also. Then go to the setting tabs, and here on the drawing name, right click edit drawing setting. First we will set our settings, drawing setting, select, it should be meters if you are working in metric, then select down. For this exercise I need to select USA Virginia. Go down and search here USA Virginia. Okay, and available coordinate system will be Virginia State Place, North Zone, and it should be in meters, VA 83N. Okay, then select OK. So now your drawing unit has been setting up. From the home tab, create ground panel, choose surface, and here we have create surface from GIS data. The create surface from GIS data object options page appear. Now set the name to GIS data and change description. If there is any other description you can change, or you can write import from GIS data, and set the style 2 meter to 10 meter, which is already, so we will leave that as it is and click to the next button. The create surface from GIS data connect to data page appears now, and we will import SHP file. This file you can download from the description, which I will put, and so you can change data source type to SHP. We have SHP file, and then click to ellipsis next to the SHP path. I will find the file which I will provide you also this file. Here we have 406 contours. You can see now the path is populated with the location of the SHP file. So now click the login button here. You don't need a username or password to log in, just click on it. To create surface from GIS data, schema and coordinate page now appears. Now you will notice that the name of the file appear here, as well as the coordinate system in which the SHP was created. Okay, if you are an Imperial user, the NAD 83 Virginia State Plans North Zone US feed system match with your drawing setting, but if you are using metric, so it will show you NAD 3 Virginia State Plan North Zone US meters. So now the coordinate system of SHP file is different from the drawing setting, because we was using our setting as a meter and now you can see it is in US feet. So verify that the 406 contour and checkbox should be marked, then press next. On the create surface from GIS data Geospatial query page, look at the setting for future reference. Okay, but do not change anything, just click next. On the create surface from GIS data mapping page, click the drop down list next to Fallible and select elevation in GIS field column and select elevation. Okay. Many dialogues throughout the software use tables such as those shown on this page for you to input data. If at any time the column is not wide here enough for you to view all of the content, you may modify the column with the width by clicking between the column headings. At the bottom of the create surface from GIS data mapping page, you will notice a file name here and as well as save and open icon. That means you can save the current data mapping information that you have set for future use. Now click to finish, dismiss panorama and zoom extent. You can see now your surface based on SHP file. If the level of detail display setting in is still on, you can off the level of detail to show your surface in its original form. Hope you like this video. If you are looking for more advanced Civil 3D exercises, please stay with us.